Welcome to qnawire.
All right, our goal is to take the derivative of this function. This function's a quotient, so we'll end up using quotient rule. But before we do it, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the bottom as t cubed plus 1 to the 1/2 power. And now we're going to do product rule. So just remind you how product rule works. If I want the derivative of something with, say, u on top over v, then we do the derivative. Let me actually make this a little bit easier to read. I'm just going to do just u and v, but both of these are a function of x. So I'll do the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the derivative of the bottom times the top all over the bottom squared. So that's what we're going to do, and this is known as quotient rule. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it then. All right, so f prime of t, then our derivative will be derivative of the top, so I get 2t times the entire bottom. Now I need to subtract and take the derivative of the bottom, which by power rule is 1/2 t cubed plus 1 to the minus 1/2. And then I still have to chain rule, so I multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 3t squared, and I still have to multiply by the top. So there's a lot there. Okay, all over the bottom squared. So t cubed plus 1, if I square a square root, I just get the parenthesis without any power, so that's looking good. So let's clean this up just a tad, just see what we have kind of here. It looks like we have 2t square root t cubed plus 1. If I clean all this up, I get minus 3/2 t to the 4th all over t cubed plus 1 in the square root all over t cubed plus 1. All right, we could keep going and go further, but I think this is sufficient for you to know how to set up the derivative with quotient rule, and then whatever cleanup you'd like to do after this, you're certainly welcome to do. But there we have it. We have solved for our derivatives. So hopefully that helped. Have an amazing day.